Welcome to this week's episode of Industrial Transformation World News, bringing you the latest news and technologies shaping the global digital manufacturing industry. In this week's edition, we start with news from the northeast of England, where Nissan have unveiled a £1 billion flagship electric vehicle hub, centred around their record-breaking manufacturing plant in the city of Sunderland. The creation of this world-first electric vehicle manufacturing ecosystem, called Nissan EV360, will supercharge the company's drive to carbon neutrality and establish a new 360-degree solution for zero-emission motoring. This industrial transformational project has been launched with an initial £1 billion investment by Nissan and its partners, including Envision, a global player in world-leading battery technology. Comprised of three interconnected initiatives, Nissan EV360 brings together electric vehicles, renewable energy and battery production, setting a blueprint for the future of the automotive industry. Envision will deploy integrated artificial intelligence smart technology to monitor and optimize energy consumption, manufacturing and maintenance at the new gigafactory, enabling it to rapidly increase production and provide batteries to power up to 100,000 Nissan electric vehicles a year. UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson said that Nissan's announcement to build its new generation all-electric vehicle in Sunderland, alongside a new gigafactory from Envision, was a major vote of confidence in the UK. On to Sheffield, a city famous worldwide for its steel industry. Now Sheffield is also building a global reputation in industrial manufacturing research and development through the Advanced Manufacturing Research Centre. Part of the University of Sheffield, the AMRC is a network of world-leading research and innovation centres working with manufacturing companies of all sizes across the globe. They have just announced the release of Factory Plus, which provides manufacturers with an open framework to standardise and simplify the way valuable data is extracted, transported, stored, processed, consumed and protected. Following an initial literature review to evaluate the current landscape, engineers at the AMRC have now written a specification, a technical document outlining the high-level concepts and architecture of Factory Plus, and an implementation guide, a step-by-step instruction manual for deploying it. Together, the documents shape how an organization could design a smart factory by demonstrating good architecture principles and approaches, including openness, efficiency, security, and scalability. News from France, where the government is looking to reskill and upskill 150,000 people within the French battery storage industry by 2025. France has 3 gigafactories in construction, a development that will result in more specialized engineers and technicians required within the local market. As a result, the French government has signed a memorandum of understanding with the European Institute of Innovation and Technology to launch the European Battery Association 250 Academy. It is estimated that up to 800,000 skilled workers will be required within Europe by 2025 to meet the demand for batteries. With a global market for robotics expected to grow from the current $100 billion a year to $210 billion a year by 2025, this week we take a look at some of the robotic manufacturers who are shaping industrial transformation. We start with Swiss engineering conglomerate ABB. With their ABB Robotics division, they are a pioneer in industrial and collaborative robotics. They employ more than 10,000 people in 53 countries and have shipped more than 500,000 robot solutions worldwide. ABB is a pioneer in collaborative robots, also referred to as cobots, where people and robots work side by side on the same tasks. In 2015, they created Yumi, the world's first truly collaborative robot. Yumi was a game-changer and heralded a new era where people and robots safely and productively work side by side. In February, ABB launched Gopher and Swifty to complement their cobot offering. These new robots have been designed to allow customers to operate straight out of the box, within minutes of installation and with no specialized training. Formed in Japan in 1956, Fanuc are recognized as one of the leaders in industrial robots, with 750,000 robots installed worldwide. As the largest maker of industrial robots in the world, it is a pioneer of computer numerical control equipment and a constant innovator in robotic design. It now has 100 robot models to choose from, whatever the job or industry requirement. Their smallest offering is their ArcMate 50ID, which has a reach of 70 centimeters and a load capacity of 7 kilograms, while the largest offering, the M2000 series, is the strongest family of industrial robots on the market. It comes with a handling capacity up to 2.3 tons and a reach of up to 4.7 meters. Next up, Omron, who are specialists in fully autonomous mobile robots, which are designed to dramatically increase productivity in manufacturing and warehouse logistics operations. Omron say their robots increase throughput, eliminate errors, improve material traceability, and allow employees to focus on tasks that require more complex human skills. Their family of mobile robots can safely and efficiently transport a wide range of payloads, from lightweight tasks of 60 kilograms all the way up to 1,500 kilograms. Their mobile robots navigate by the natural features of a company's facility and require no expensive facility modification. One of their key features is safe by design. They use onboard lasers and other sensors to detect obstacles on their moving path, and based on speed of travel, they trigger a stop to prevent vehicle collision into objects on their path. Our final company to feature is Boston Dynamics, who are revolutionizing the way we think of robots. Their aim is to imagine and create exceptional robots that enrich people's lives, and they are focused on creating robots with advanced mobility, dexterity, and intelligence. Boston Dynamics have been building robots for 35 years and serve the inspection, construction, utilities, and warehouse automation industries. Their three offerings are called Spot, Stretch, and Pick. Spot is a four-legged robot that is ideal for sensing and inspection, capture limitless data, and explore without boundaries. Stretch provides mobile, automated case handling for more efficient warehouse operations, while Pick can automate complex palletizing operations using a machine learning vision system. Another area where Boston Dynamics leads is making robots that can dance. We hope you've enjoyed this week's episode, and if you like what we do, please subscribe. If you have anything to share, please get in touch and email us at info@industrialtransformationworld.com.